Governor Monday Okpebholo of Edo State don chook mouth on top how intake predict say Isokpan Otimenyin go be the commissioner of police for the state 21 years ago. The governor talked this one on Tuesday when he received the newly posted CP for in office for Government House, Benin City. Governor Okpebholo contrary salute to the CP, say she agreed to work with them, say she be woman wey get heart like my own, and say he don know her since many years ago for Jos back in 1994. Oga Governor come talk say na that time he promise say if he become governor, she go be in commissioner of police, say he trust her wella and he sabi say she fit deliver. The governor come talk say in government go work with the new CP and all the security agencies to fight crime and make Edo State peaceful.
I want to thank the Commissioner of Police for agreeing to work with us. She's a woman, but she has the heart of a man. I knew her several years ago. When she came to Jos, I think that was her first or second place of assignment. First place of assignment, C division, you mentioned right. I met her there. I trust her and I know she can perform. All her posting, I'll be following her, even when she didn't know that I was following her. The last time I knew and I met her here in Benin, that was when she was in Zone 5. And since that time, I said, thank God that she has come back home. Now she's properly home. So the business is for us to fight the crime. And there's no other person that will fight crime in her home more than herself. So her legacy will begin from here. Whatever you need to help and support, I'll be there to do it for you.
Earlier, CP Isokpan Otimenyin thanked the governor for the vehicles when he donated to the security agencies and come assure say the police go put all their energy to fight crime for the state. She come here and say her reason for the visit now to tell His Excellency Monday Okpebholo say she don't resume work and ready gidigba to make Edo State crime free.
The essence of my visit is to inform you that I have resumed, and having resumed, I'm ready to work and take the state to a level of crime free. I also want to say that the expertise and experience I have working in the state will be of immense help in detecting crime. I want to say that most of the crime that are prevalent here will go all out to see how we'll solve it. And I appreciate the governor's stance on your responsiveness to security challenges. The way you have taken off with us, I want to appreciate it. Because just for a kidnap in a local government, in an environment in a local government, yesterday alone you presented us with losses to combat it, and also financially. And I know that with the way you started, and with God helping us, we're going to make the state unbearable for criminal elements. I'm aware of most of the crimes that take place like in this environment. I'm aware of these crimes that has to do with enoges, ways, all these land-related issues that they hide under and commit a lot of crime. I'm aware of courtesan, kidnapping, and also these cases that has to do with rape, defilement, and all that. And we're going to put machineries on ground and make sure that they are dealt with. We assure you that any crime detected will not be left without adequate punishment. I want to thank you for giving me an opportunity to serve in this state. Thank you.
Make una not forget say, as we see am, now so we dey talk am, we not dey take blame. From Government House, Benin City, Ekata Ojesoli, TMC TV News.